Welcome back to Primetime News. Again, special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. First up this evening, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the government is hoping that it will not have to impose any new taxes on Jamaicans in the near future after 9 budget cycles. The Prime Minister has also hit back at the opposition over comments they made earlier this week. On the defensive, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, following public discussion on taxation after opposition spokesman on agriculture Dr. Dayton Campbell implied that a PNP administration would impose a tax on imports to establish an agriculture fund. The Prime Minister has insisted his administration has been frugal with the taxes collected but has been able to increase the yearly budgets through an expansion of the economy.
And that is not an easy thing to do, because the continued expansion of the economy depends on how well it can respond to shocks. So the strategy of this government, we definitely don't want to place any more burden on the average citizen with more taxes. So we have announced the pivot, the shift to focusing on productivity.
It's months before the financial year comes to an end, and with concerns about the state of the country's economy, Mr. Holness says imposing new taxes on the population would be easier and is usually the route taken by politicians.
There are those who feel that you can use taxation as a means of spurring or achieving a certain economic objective, such as putting on a tax on imported food items, for example. The challenge with that is that the people who are going to pay that tax are Jamaicans. So there is no real benefit in any way creating any new productive activity here.
He insists discussions on the expansion of productivity in agriculture should pivot towards getting greater technology integration into the sector.